Hey guys, it is March 13th, 2025, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. The mailman just brought my Bavarian Axon flybarless control unit, so this is an exciting moment. The box is kind of smashed on this end, so I'm hoping it's packaged really well and there's not any damage to the flybarless control unit. Alright, packing slip, put that out of the way, and this is some of the mounting tape. I'm not really for sure if I'm going to be using this. So the big question is whether or not this flybarless control unit is going to fit on the back of the tail where you usually put the gyros. So that would be up here. Hopefully you can see this. Now it might actually fit sideways. So if it will fit sideways, then if it will fit between this narrow frame, then that's how I'm going to do it. So I've seen some guys where they will fabricate an extra plate to go on the other side up here, and they'll it just needs to be a flat metal piece. And these gyros definitely seem to work better when they're along the helicopter center line instead of putting them down on the frame out to the side. So this is the initial unboxing. And this project started last late September, maybe even October time frame. Have to give it to Bavarian. This unit's nicely boxed, so has product information manual on the top. I'm hoping that this flybarless control unit's not too big. And I'm trying to remember, Bavarian used to be called I can't remember, Helitronics or something. I'm okay with Bavarian, that's just with Germany, but as far as their logo of demon, yeah, I don't like that. I'm not a fan. Oh wow, it actually came with some mounting tape. So this is a nice looking flybarless control unit, and let's see if it'll fit. Oh yeah, look at that. That's a perfect fit. Because what I was concerned about, hopefully the camera's angled down where you can see that, I really didn't want to go where the unit wasn't touching. But let's see. Yeah, so this actually fits perfectly. There's plenty of space there, and that will go on there. So the reason I like mounting it back here versus fabricating a plate and putting it up here is the engine's straight down, and there will be a certain amount of vibrations transmitted into the frame. These frames are made out of aluminum, and with those being made out of aluminum, the vibrations transmit through that, whereas with the plastic piece here, you know, the tail pops into there. I really don't think plastic transmits as many vibrations as the aluminum would. Now, I may have to orient it this way, and I would definitely want to look into doing something a little bit differently with my air vent and my fuel overflow, because I do not want fuel coming out and going down inside the electronics there. So let's see what else is in here. Okay. This one's pretty thick. I really kind of like that. I did buy some 3M tape that's supposed to be able to hold about 30 pounds. And these flybarless control units do not like a lot of vibrations. So it looks like this is the only wiring that comes with it. So it's kind of cool, because the way this is set up, when you let's see if I can orient that right. I think it would go something like this. I'll have to look in the instructions, but with it designed like this, it really simplifies it, because this is all you have to do. All you have to do is just plug in this one. It's like the only way I'm trying to say. Yeah, it would have to go like that. So that's it, right? So all you have to do is plug in this one harness and just basically figure out your various channels for your servos. And so it'll go on there something like this, or I may choose to orient it the other way. As long as I can get this fuel where I can be certain that I don't have any fuel dumping out onto this unit, that would be really bad. So it's going to be a matter of having the servos. This will go on here, probably on this side. Not for sure how I'm going to orient that yet, but anyway, I finally have everything that I'm going to need to get this helicopter up and flying. This stuff is just very expensive. I got this one the other day. It's a low profile Futaba HPS HC701. It's going to be my throttle servo, and this little guy will mount down here. I'm going to put it through like this, and it will work the throttle for the engine. And it's all going to be a matter of, you know, as neatly as possible routing the wiring, kind of going up there, and you know, it just needs to reach the receiver. And they had, Futaba discontinues a lot of stuff. They had discontinued the previous receiver, which was actually a little bit bigger than this receiver, And I was actually surprised how small this one is. But anyway, I just wanted to show the unveiling of this Bavarian Axon flybarless control unit, and I'm pretty impressed with the packaging from Bavarian. I ordered this from Heli Direct. I believe it was last Friday, and it's currently Thursday, March 13th. I believe they're saying we're going to have a lunar eclipse tonight. And I'll have to double check this just to make sure. But this makes it a lot easier, a lot cleaner, just having like one single piece harness to, you know, put all of your spaghetti of wiring in one way. It really kind of, I don't know if you'd say idiot proofs it, because you do have to ascertain, you know, which each one of these are, and hopefully it kind of breaks it down. Yeah, it shows different color coding in here. Shows the various wires, so I'll dig into that a little bit later on. I just wanted to do the unboxing to show you what comes with this. It looks like a very high